welcome to my video today. I have some really amazing projects that I want to share with you. This is for my Blessed2Craft Make and Take club that I do. That is my monthly club, and it is $35 a month. You get 3 make and takes, which I'm going to show you. They're cards, and then you get $20 in product. And that is, you get the product that matches. So you'll always get a set of designer paper and then some embellishments to create the projects that we're doing. And then you get 3 card kits. And then if you are with the club for 6 months, you get a 6-month gift, which is $15 in product. So this month, what I'm using is the Happy Forest Friends. It is in the annual catalog. Starts on page 46, and it has this amazing paper. You're going to see a lot of projects that I did with this paper. And then the ribbon, which is right here. This ribbon is gorgeous. I really love it. I used quite a bit of it in the projects that you're going to see. So this month, everybody that is a part of the club, they will get a quarter pack of the designer paper, which I used so much of it. I don't even have a quarter pack left. That's why I'm showing you the catalog. But you will get a quarter pack of the designer paper. You will get the ribbon. So it's 2 rolls of ribbon that you will get, brand new rolls of ribbon. And then let me show you the embellishment that I used and that you will get. It is these right here. This is 4, so this is the brushed metallic dots, and you're going to see these in all of my projects. So let me start with the 3 make and takes you're going to receive, and that are these cards right here. I just love these. This is the second card. The amazing thing about this designer paper, these little bears right here were just cut from the designer paper, along with the flowers the bears are holding, and then the little bird. So I did a combination of both stamping and then also just using the paper and cutting the elements out of the paper. I had so much fun designing all of these projects. So these are the 3 make and take. So you get the card kit and all of the pieces to make these 3 cards when you join Blessed2Craft. And then you will get a colorful PDF that shows you all of the measurements and has photos. And then I do a video walking you through how to put these together. And then you get your $15 to $20 in product to use on those. And then you will get access to all of the other projects that I'm going to show you. I have some fun fold cards. I have some quick and cute cards. And then I made some 12 by 12 layouts. So you will get the videos and the measurements for all of the other projects. So this is the make and take that you will get, those 3 cards. And then let me show you, I have 2 fun fold cards that I created. And these were really fun. So this is a Z fold card, and I stamped the bear. So you can see that one. And then, see, that is one of the little foxes that I used. His little head's cut off, but I cut a lot of the images off this set, this piece of paper. The little owl, the bear works great. The little flowers I fussy cut and used in some of these. So that's the first one, and I used both of the ribbons on that one for that card. And then here is the second fun fold, and I don't think I've ever made a fun fold like this, and I did mine a little bit different. So most people, when they make a flap like this, they just put it on the back of the card, and instead I incorporated it into the design of the inside of my card. And so that is the second fun fold, and that's the little fox that I cut out. And then you can see on all of these projects, I have the different metals, and this is really amazing because the embellishments, they are like gold, copper, and like a brass. And I was like, oh, like I probably only would use 1 color on my cards, but I used all 3 colors with this set of paper, and it turned out amazing. So those are my 2 fun fold cards. Next, I have several cards that I made, and I'll have even more when I release all of the items for Blessed2Craft. You will have even more projects because I'm still in the middle of making a couple pretty packaging items and a few more cards. So here is this card. The other perk of joining Blessed2Craft is if you want to purchase the stamp set that I use for the month, you get to do that and you don't pay shipping or tax on that stamp set because you receive it in your kit. So it's a perk for joining and being a part of the club, which I really love. I'll leave a link in the YouTube description below and on my website if you would like to join Blessed2Craft. I would love to have you join. It's a great way to build up some product because you get product every month. You get $15 to $20 in product. I love how I used the ribbon. I've never done ribbon like this on a card where I layered 2 sets of ribbon. I just could not get enough of using this ribbon. It's really pretty. The other item that works really well with this product is linen thread, and I used a little bit of that in a couple places. So here is this one, and I cut these out and layered them. And then you can see those brushed metalled embellishments. And then there is this one, and I stamped both of these and then added that brushed metal embellishments and then the little butterfly. How cute is that? And then the other items that I have is, of course, the layout that you saw, the first one. And the fun thing about this layout is I cut this out on my Cricut Joy. I designed the Hello Fall and cut it out, and everybody that's part of the club will get this die cut. So you can use that on a card or you can use it on a layout if you wanted to do a layout, but I did this layout here. And again, I did both stamping, and then I cut some items out. So these leaves there, and then the leaves here I cut out of the designer paper. So that was that layout, and you get all the measurements for that layout. And then this one, I will be making a second page for it. This is as far as I got with this one, and I needed to get this filmed and up for you guys. But I will be making a second page to that, and you will see it. So there will be 2 12 by 12 double layouts in this month's PDF and projects. So these turned out so good. At the end of the month, you're going to see Pip and I do our suite of possibilities, and it will be on this suite of product. And so you'll be seeing even more projects later on in the month with this. But I just love this suite so much. The paper is so cute. You can see I've just used so much of this paper. I need to order another pack. So I would love for you to join Blessed2Craft and get your make and take cards and make some cards with us and join us. The link is in the description below and on my website. And if you have any questions, please let me know. And I'll be back next week with more projects for you. I hope you're having a wonderful summer, and I will chat with you later. Thank you so much for checking out my video today. I hope you will like this video and subscribe to my channel. Here on the screen are 2 other videos that I have recently put together. I hope that you will check those out, and I hope you're having a wonderful day.